Today in Mo's kitchen, the only brine you'll ever need. Oh yeah. Look at the difference between these two pieces of meat. One is brined, one is unbrined. Typically, you lose 20% moisture when you cook meat. What you want to do is reintroduce that moisture through brining. The brining process consists of combining salt and water, typically 1 cup of salt to 1 gallon of water, and normally you would brine larger pieces of meat. Today what I'm doing is brining a smaller amount of meat using a seasoned brine. Now, brining isn't to be confused with marinade. A marinade only penetrates the surface of the meat and uses oil and acid, while a brine uses salt and water, and the salt will open up the proteins of the meat and the flavors will penetrate deeper into the meat, giving you a better flavor. In normal brining, you would place the meat in the cold salt and water solution. In seasoned brining, what I'm trying to do here is marry all the flavors together and make sure that they're thoroughly infused. To do this, I'm going to bring the solution to a light boil. Once all your ingredients are combined, you'll want to make sure that you thoroughly cool your seasoned brine before you add it to your meat. Let your meat brine for a minimum of 2 hours, and I guarantee you won't be disappointed in this recipe. Thanks for watching Mo's Kitchen. Give the video a thumbs up, consider subscribing to morriswgreentv, and I'll see you next time.